Hi there. Welcome to Not Just Carrots by MyEyeDr. I'm Dr. Florian Safner from Alexandria, Virginia.
And I'm Dr. Tracey Glendenning from Wilmington, North Carolina. And even though we're optometrists, we're also foodies. So we're here today to share some of our eye-healthy recipes with you.
There are so many recipes out there that are amazing for your eyes that are not just carrots.
And it doesn't matter time of day. We can incorporate these foods into our meals containing lutein, vitamin A, and vitamin E.
So today, Tracey and I are going to show you how to make some really simple eye-healthy recipes. Let's get started. So today we're going to make a delicious eye-healthy dinner. We're going to be making seared tuna with orange, avocado, and cilantro salsa. It's loaded with eye-healthy vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-3s. Let's get started. That tuna is really good.
I can see why people love this recipe. So click here for full details. It's not only tasty, but it's eye healthy.
Hey, we hope you've had as much fun as we have. I'm Florian.
And I'm Tracey.
And be on the lookout for more eye-healthy recipes from MyEyeDr. Take care.